Essentially what we are seeing is that after the uprisings of 2011, there was a breakdown of order in very many parts of the region, not all of them, but very many parts of the Middle East and North Africa. And in that vacuum of power, there emerged a number of extremist organizations. As a result, the idea that there is a cosmic struggle between Islam and the West has been reinforced at a global level. This has happened mainly through terrorism, but what we are seeing really is that there has been the construction of an issue, or the hardening of positions with regards to Islam and the West. This is a manufactured crisis, I think. People are sort of drawn willy-nilly into it, whereas in fact what we are seeing is that the reality on the ground in the Middle East region is much more complex. The evidence is very mixed. If one looks at opinion polls and other evidence, it is difficult to produce evidence that in fact Islamophobia is on the rise. So we say that it's mostly so on anecdotal evidence. This is not enough, but we, I think, nevertheless can perceive a change in the discourse very often. So, for instance, other issues that would normally be referred to as ethnic rivalries or conflicts of political economy, aspects of life, are now more and more sort of related to or attributed to identity issues such as Islam or belonging to the West. So we see a kind of change in how people think about these things, and unfortunately what has started as a false dichotomy is assuming greater and greater strength.